Hey everyone, Cash App Advisor, one of the best guide for Cash App users. My name is Mashkur Ali, and in this video, I will share two methods that you can use to make payments easily on your Android mobile using Cash App without a card. Cash App is a peer-to-peer payment platform that can be used on both iPhone and Android operating systems. Many people often wonder if Cash App works the same way on Android as it does on Apple devices. They also ask whether payments can be made on Android devices without a card. In this detailed video, we will explore two such methods and explain step by step how you can make payments using Cash App on Android without a card. Let's get started. To explain these methods step by step with screenshots, we've brought you to a website called Cabbage Loan Guide. On this website, you'll find several articles related to Cash App on the right-hand side, including one titled, How to Pay with Cash App Without Card on Android. 2 Best Methods. When you scroll down this article, you'll find detailed information on how Cash App is used on Android. The link to this article is in the description and you can read it thoroughly. If you scroll down a bit more, you'll find a subheading, How to Pay with Cash App Without a Card on Android. This section explains. To make payments using Cash App on an Android device without needing a physical card, you can use two simple methods. Number 1, sending money directly to a merchant's Cash App account, and number 2, using Cash App Pay with a QR code. After this, the article describes two methods. Method 1 is by sending to merchant's Cash App account, and method 2 is by using Cash App Pay. Both methods are explained with the help of screenshots to make every step clear to you. Let's understand each method one by one. Method 1. Send to merchant's Cash App account. With this method, you can pay a merchant by sending money directly to their Cash App account using their cash tag. Follow these steps. Open Cash App, launch the Cash App on your Android device and tap the search bar at the top. Enter the merchant's cash tag. Type in the merchant's unique cash tag into the search bar. Input the amount. Enter the amount you want to send for the payment. Tap Pay. Once the amount is entered, tap on the Pay button to proceed. Add a note, optional. You can add a note or description for the payment if you want. It's optional, but can help the merchant recognize what the payment is for. Confirm the payment. Finally, confirm the transaction by entering your PIN to complete the payment. Method 2. Cash App. Pay using a QR code. Cash App Pay allows you to pay by scanning a QR code at the merchant's checkout. Here's how you can use it. Open Cash App. Open the Cash App on your Android device. Select Cash App Pay. Tap on the Cash App Pay icon located on the home screen of the app. This will look like a QR code. Scan the QR code. Scan the QR code displayed at the merchant's checkout using your phone's camera. Confirm the payment. After scanning, you'll be asked to confirm the payment by entering your PIN. Once done, the payment will be processed. This way, you can use these two methods to make payments with Cash App on your Android device without a card. However, there are several other methods available which we will discuss in the next video. If you found this video helpful, please like it. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more helpful tips about Cash App and other financial tools. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.